Your furry companions are important members of your family. Let's be honest, cleanliness isn't exactly their priority. The mud, the mess, the chaos that somehow follows them in the door. And it's never really about the dirt. It's about the time, the effort, the disruption of your day. What if caring for them felt effortless, calm, controlled, even enjoyable? A space not just for your home, but for every member of your family. Here, that's a reality. 748 Churchill Row, Fredericton, where thoughtful design extends to every detail, a masterclass of intention design.